Hi guys, it's Taffy Feet. So today I'm going to be unboxing this really cool parcel from origamishop.com. So basically I ordered a few things. So I think I ordered a pack of Lokta, 10 colours and 10 sheets, so they're 14 inches. Tissue foil pack, which is 8 colours and 20 sheets, so those are 8 inches. I also ordered the Pack Discovery, which is all of their best papers, so that's 30 sheets I think, all different sizes and shapes. And I also got some elephant hide, so that's 7 colours and 7 sheets and 19 inches. So let's start unboxing this thing. So we're going to grab scissors. I'm going to try and open this thing first. So if I just use some nails. Here we go. Okay, now I've got that off. You can just take this plastic thing off. Okay, I'll just take this off. Okay, here we go. So this is what we have here. I'm just gonna check what's inside it to see if it has any personal details, so don't show them to you. It does, but on the other side, so I won't show that side. So basically this is just saying what I got, but on the other side it says what I got. So actually it just says like all the postal details and stuff, so that's not very important. So now let's actually open this. So this whole thing cost me 53 euros, so that's about $80 like in Australian dollars. Well, in American, like US dollars, it's about $62.50. So to do this, I think we're gonna open this taped end first. So grab the scissors. Okay, this is gonna be a bit harder than I thought. Let's try picking it off. Oh wait, here's a sticker, so we can pick the sticker off. Then we can start picking the tape off. Here we go. Tape is coming off. Okay, here we are. Now, I think we'll have to open it through here. So we'll open this little tab here. Okay. Here we go. Now, let's see what's in here. Now this, I think this is the Lokta paper. So we'll open this up, have a look at some of the colours in there. So there's a piece of tape here. Just a second, we'll just have to do this. Sorry. I have to be very careful with it because oops, so now we open that and it opens this end. Okay, this is a bit hard. Okay, I think it's just, yep, so be very careful with this, don't want to ruin the paper. Oops. So here we go. Okay, so here we have a yellow. Oh, it's so thin. A yellow. There we go, and that's so nice. Here's a yellow. Here's an orangey pink. That's really nice. Here's a red. Oh, I like this red. I like how you can see all the fibers in it. If you can see that. Ooh, this green is very nice. I think I'll use this Lokta for some tessellations because I've heard it's quite good for tessellations. That's a very nice colour. Some purple. This is really nice. Here we go. That looks nice. So here, now you'll be able to see the patterns better, I think. Here we go, that's very nice. Ooh, I like this blue. It's not too thin and not too thick. It's like a perfect thickness. The pink. Oh, I like that. That looks nice in the light. And then another yellow. This is a nice yellow as well. This is a bit thicker than the other ones, I think. A red. This is like an aqua or a turquoise colour, like a teal almost. And then that's almost green. Does that look green? Is that like a natural colour? I don't know. So there's the Lokta paper, and we'll put that aside over here. Now what else is in here? I'll take this. This is the Pack Discovery, I think. Ooh, it's heavy. Now this one has quite a few, and I'm going to try and name them. It's going to be very hard. There's a guide on the back, so hopefully I'll be able to tell. So we're just going to open this up very carefully. So by using this, I'll be able to tell. It can help me with further things. So let's take all of them out. So first, okay, let's just have a look at the back. Here's the guide. So, first, I actually don't, this is double-sided, so I think this, so we've got these things here, so this helps us know which is which. I think this is one of the thicker papers, so I think this is the Kinumomi, I think. I can't be certain. We'll put this over here. This, ooh, I think this is It's all very confusing. I'll just show you the papers, I won't name them. This looks like a nice one, I think that, I don't know. This is a very nice one. Ooh, it's got a nice metallic look to it. This is really nice as well. That feels really nice. Just holding it up to the light. Trying to show you. This is nice. That's one glued onto the other. Oh, no, it's not. It's one here. That's like a wooden texture. I don't know if you can see, but there are grains in there. This is a really nice one. Here's some tissue paper. Here's some more tissue paper. That looks really nice. I don't know what type of paper this is, but it feels nice. This is a really nice one. Look at you can see all the fibers in there. This is a really nice paper. All of these papers have really nice textures, and I just want to, I love them so much. This is nice as well. That's a nice one. This, I don't know what, this is very nice. This must be the natural tissue. The Unryu, don't know if I pronounced that right. I probably didn't. That's really nice. Oh my gosh. These are so beautiful. And then this. Oh, this is really nice. It's so thin. Now I think this is tissue foil. This is the famous tissue foil. Now usually what you would normally think tissue foil is the tissue foil that you can make at home, which is like this sort where you have, if you can see that, it's like tissue, it's like tissue paper foil tissue, so it's tissue paper foil tissue like that, and you can like produce double-sided and you spray it on. And I've got some more over here. This is not a double-sided one, but it's a bit crumpled. But yeah, I'll put that back here. This is really nice. Oops. You have to be very careful with this. This is really, like, it feels like almost baking paper. It's so thin. Ooh, this is really nice. I like this one. It's not transparent, but I think this is the same sort of one. Here's just some foil. I think this is, I think that's 2 pieces of paper. Yes, I was right. This is nice. Duo paper. It's nice, got different colours. I think that's just regular kami. And then, sorry, that's really nice. All of these papers are just so beautiful. And then these ones, ooh, these are so thin. another one. It's almost invisible against that. That's so beautiful. So that's what you get in the pack discovery. So I'm going to put that off to the side. Now, I think we've got 2 more in here. I'll take this one out. I've been wanting this paper for a very long time, maybe 4 years, 5 years even. And I finally got the chance to buy it online. So this is elephant hide. So let's open this up and I'll show you. Ooh, that isn't safe. It's fine. I'll just take that apart there. I'll take this and pull this apart. I think this is elephant hide. I'd say it is. So just be very careful with this. Sorry about the reflections. This is so hard to open. Now we're getting somewhere. Here we go. If I'm not correct, then it will be the tissue foil. Nope, this is elephant hide. So I think I got quite large pieces. Not too large, but I don't know if you can see the whole thing there, but that is the like black color. So that's really, really nice. It's really thick and it's quite shiny as well. So let's fold that back up. Put that to the side. The next one, I'll just take all of them out and open them. This is a grey. Elephant hide is also known as Wyndstone Marble. That's really nice. I'm getting quite into tessellations at the moment, so elephant hide and tissue foil and Lokta, very good to go with. And also there's a nice paper called mulberry that you spray with, I think it's iron starch. I'm not too sure, but mulberry paper, I've got some here actually. So this is what mulberry paper looks like. It comes in like really big sizes. It feels like cloth. I won't open the whole thing, but it feels like cloth. But once you spray it to like strengthen the fibers and stuff. So this is like a natural one, and it's really, really thin, as you can probably see. I'll hold it up to the like one layer. So it's quite natural, as you can see. Put that back away. Ooh, I really like this colour. I really, really, really like this colour. It's like so crisp. Everything in here is so crisp. Like that. Here's another nice one. Gotta be careful with it because it's like one of the only times I'll ever have a chance to touch this paper. Then the last one, oh no, second last one actually. I do like this color. This is a really nice elephant hide color. I love the like marbled stains, not stains, the marbled, not texture, the marbled appearance of it. Very nice. So that's all of our elephant hide. Put that away. Now, for the one I've been looking forward to for not too long, but I only just found out about it, the tissue foil. So I've like tried to make many things with tissue foil, including like the tissue foil that I've like homemade. These are just like samples of ones that I've just like recently made, so they're not very good, but they work sometimes. But this is like the real deal. This is like the best you can get, really, this tissue foil. Let's open this up. I'm very excited. Okay, here we go. Let's take all of it out. I only got small ones because I just wanted to, like, not experiment, but it's so thin. It's so nice. This is a silver. A silver. 4 silvers. So there's this is the shiny side, so I don't know if you can see. I'll try and like make it reflective. So there's the reflective side and there isn't. There's the tissue side. So there's the foil side and there's the tissue side. So there's the silver. Here is the gold, I think. So this is gold. So on the other side is that. It's so like, I don't know if you can see, but look at those patterns. They're so like intricate. There's the gold. Here's the copper. I've heard a lot about this copper tissue foil. It looks, this copper, this. And that is, oh, just look at that. That's so beautiful. Here's like a, I don't know what color this is. It's like a, I don't actually know what color that is. That's like a brownish color. I don't know. This is more of a brown. So there's the, here's the foil side. So that's the shiny foil side. I don't know if you can see that. That's shining. And the other side is just the tissue. Here's blue. I like this blue. I don't know. Put this underneath. That's a really nice blue. Oops. A red. So there's the tissue side. And there's the foil side. So there's the foil side and the tissue side. So that's all of the tissue foil. That is, oh, it's just amazing. So just go over what we got today. So we got the tissue foil. We got the elephant hide. We got the discovery pack. Sorry. we got the Lokta. So you probably can't see all of them, but that's all we got. And I'll just show you what I previewed as well. So I previewed some tissue foil that I made. So this and this, just covering everything else up there. And I previewed this mulberry paper that I got. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing of an order from origamishop.com. Thank you, and please subscribe.